Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix spam comments on Facebook Live. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is drop down your notification bar and simply try changing between the Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection also might be causing the problem that you are facing, so just change it to a stronger Wi-Fi connection or change it to cellular data. And once you are done with that, try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings app, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. And now once you're inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is find Facebook and then tap on it. And once you're inside, you'll have two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app. What this does is it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs which might be causing the problem that you are facing. And once that process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that. Once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is go to the App Store, and on the search bar simply type in Facebook, and then once it loads, tap on Facebook to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so simply updating it to the latest version will probably fix the issue. That's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.